guys, we're gonna make a ribeye steak. But first, we're gonna put some cracked pepper, a rosemary, well chopped, and a small amount of thyme with salt, of course. And then, bago natin ilagay sa oven, we're just gonna fry it first para medyo outside niya at with butter. Okay, we're gonna fry it with butter. Pag medyo nag-brown na yung both sides, of course, you have to flip it, cook both sides. Medyo mawala na yung blood. Then we're gonna put it in an oven for 10 minutes. Okay? Okay, so we'll fry it one at a time, and then we will transfer it over here in a Pyrex glass. Kasi lalagyan natin yan ng rosemary sa ibabaw. Okay? And then actually, when you have extra rosemary, you can actually chop it, finely chop, and then you actually mix it on top of the ribeye meat. Right? After we fry our ribeye steak, we're just gonna put him on the Pyrex, and then we will put rosemary finely chopped, at saka lalagyan natin ng garlic and butter on top, kasi ang butter ang magluluto sa kanya. And so we're gonna put the butter on top of every steak para mas malinamnam ang ating ribeye steak. And then gigisahin natin yung ating mushroom button with garlic and butter. Kung saan mo pinaglutuan ng yung ribeye steak, doon mo rin siya gigisahin. So, habang ilalagay natin sa oven yung ating ribeye steak, we're gonna put our ribeye steak sa oven for 10 minutes. Okay? Gawin natin sa maliit kasi nagkasya sa malaki. I'm just gonna put it right there. Okay, there you go. And then we'll see. So while waiting for our ribeye steak sa oven, gigisahin pa natin ang ating mushroom buttons. At yan, malapit na. Kunti na lang. And then we're almost there. Okay, we'll set our oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. At titignan natin ang ating steak. It's finally done. Ribeye steak. Garnish with rosemary, mushroom buttons, and it goes well with our seafood pasta. Okay, Happy New Year!